The heats of combustion of graphite and diamond at 298 Kelvin are -393 and -395 kilojoule per mole respectively. The specific heats of these substances are 720 and 505 joule per kg per Kelvin respectively. Calculate the heat of transformation of graphite into diamond at 273 Kelvin. अब heat of combustion of graphite and diamond given है. So equation हो जाएगी C plus O2 forming CO2. This is for graphite. Delta H value is given. C plus O2 forming CO2. This is the equation for diamond. Delta H value is given. Let this be equation 1 and this equation 2. On subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So these all will become negative. Carbon negative, oxygen negative and carbon dioxide negative. So oxygen will get cancelled. Carbon dioxide gets cancelled. And we get the equation graphite changing into diamond at 298 Kelvin. Subtracting the delta H value of heat of combustion of diamond from heat of combustion of graphite, we get delta H value of conversion of graphite to diamond at 298 Kelvin, which is 2 kilojoules per mole. Let this be delta H1. Now value of delta T will be T2 minus T1, that is 298 Kelvin minus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 15. Now we have to calculate the heat of transformation of graphite into diamond at 273 Kelvin. The formula used will be delta H2 minus delta H1 divided by T2 minus T1 is equal to delta C. This we can write as delta C. If it is at constant volume, then it will be delta CV, and if it is at constant pressure, then it will be delta Cp. Now value of delta C means specific heat of graphite minus specific heat of diamond. Now specific heat of graphite is 720 joules per kg per Kelvin. Now to convert it into kilojoules, 720 will be divided by 1000 and this is per kg. So we have to convert it into per mole because delta H value is in per mole. Now to convert it into per mole, specific heat for 1 kg of graphite is given. Now we need to know the specific heat of 1 mole of graphite. Now specific heat of 1 kg of graphite is 720 joules, or we can say specific heat of 1000 gram of graphite is 720 joules. So specific heat of 12 gram of graphite, 12 gram is equal to the molar mass of graphite, will be equal to 720 into 12 by 1000. So multiplying 720 by 12 by 1000, we get the specific heat of 1 mole of graphite. Multiplying it by 12 by 1000 gives the specific heat of 1 mole of graphite minus specific heat of diamond in kilojoules will be 0.505 kilojoules, and multiplying it by 12 divided by 1000 will give the specific heat of 1 mole of diamond. This is the value of delta C. This will be value of delta C. Now delta H2 will be equal to delta H1 plus delta C into T2 minus T1. Delta H1 is 2 kilojoules per mole. Delta C value is 0.720 minus 0.505 into 12 divided by 1000 into T2 minus T1 is 15. Solving, the value of delta H2 will be 2.0645 kilojoule per mole. This is the value of conversion of graphite into diamond at 273 Kelvin.